Struggling to get Apple CarPlay or Siri working in your Acura TLX? Let's walk through the setup process to get you connected. Every recent Acura TLX model supports Apple CarPlay, making your smartphone integration seamless if configured correctly. First, let's focus on the initial handshake between your iPhone and the Acura infotainment system. Open your iPhone settings, enable Bluetooth, and use the Acura dashboard to add your phone as a new device. For voice commands to work, you must enable Siri in your iPhone settings and ensure it remains active while the phone is locked. Most connectivity issues stem from faulty charging cables, disabled Siri permissions, or an outdated version of iOS on your phone. If it still won't connect, try switching your Lightning or USB-C cable for an official Apple accessory and restart the phone. Once configured, your Acura TLX will automatically launch CarPlay every time you plug in or start your vehicle. Drive safe.